SendGrid Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing the SendGrid Affiliate Program, a great opportunity for anyone looking to promote an established, reliable email marketing platform. As always, I've added links to the product in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. SendGrid, which is now a part of Twilio, has long been known as a leading email delivery service for businesses, marketers, and developers. They offer a solid email infrastructure with a powerful set of features tailored to businesses of all sizes. When it comes to the affiliate program, SendGrid offers affiliates a $100 payout for every new customer referral who signs up for their paid plan. This is a one-time commission for each successful referral. With SendGrid's reputation for reliable email delivery, high email open rates, and strong customer support, this makes it a highly appealing affiliate program to promote. It's perfect for those who already have an audience or customer base in need of a scalable email marketing solution. The program is best suited for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and small business owners who want to introduce their audience to an easy-to-use, scalable email service. SendGrid serves a broad audience, from startups needing transactional emails to large enterprises managing email campaigns. If your audience is looking for email automation, transactional emails, or API integrations, SendGrid is a great fit. Affiliates are provided with all the marketing tools necessary to promote SendGrid, including banners, text links, and other creative materials. Their affiliate dashboard is user-friendly, helping you keep track of your referrals and commissions easily. SendGrid's reputation and solid product offering make it an easy sell, especially for anyone working with email or online marketing. If you think SendGrid is a fit for your audience, the links to sign up are in the description below. I hope this review gives you the insight you need to decide if the SendGrid affiliate program aligns with your affiliate marketing goals.